Okay guys, now we're gonna be doing this armrest. And then we're gonna continue with the loading of the other covers. So basically you're gonna get your spatula in this section right here, and you're gonna pry so you can get this one out. It's just some clips. So it took some clips so we can pop it up. And right here we have a trimming. We're gonna take it out of the groove. So it's a small groove, which is where all this enters. There is two ways to do that. Either that's one way, has a couple of staples here. This will simplify the process. Just like that, it's out. We're gonna have a piece of nylon. This is a cheap painter's plastic from the Home Depot. Yeah, so it makes our installation more simple. And right here we use our spatula just to trim this down slightly. Be mindful about the seam allowances, guys, so the finish looks nice. I'm gonna put two staples there. If you don't have a staples, guys, you can use anything just to hold it into the frame, because we have a staple that we're gonna be using. But you can use anything as long as it holds in place. It can be a this, it can be anything, just to hold them. Now we put this baby back. And we check that the trimming is nice. And that's all it took. And there you have it, guys. That's the armrest. Let's do the pads for the side, which are these. We have one right, one left. These clips are very flimsy, so basically it's a really bad design, but that's the way they do it. And you can cut just the hack rings. Actually there is hack rings here, but because we are very practical, we don't want to deal with that. We just want to cut. Okay, we have one. Now let's do the other one. Like I told you guys, this design is really poor. The Dutch did for these pieces. The clip is basically not holding anything, but it's what it is. So we have our covers out. Let's get the new ones. We're gonna load it. We're gonna start from the top. And we wanna do the hack ring. Because this is the only hack rings, guys. If you find another method to hold it, that will be fine. It can be anything. These things really doesn't do much. Just a small one in the corners, and there you have it. This is one. I'm gonna make the other one just identical. As you can see, it's very simple so far. The other pieces are not that complicated. So okay guys, we want to continue with the loading process for the rest of the upholstery.